The amount of money I spend on data monthly is insane. Like, I cannot even put a figure to how much I spend on data monthly, but I know that I burn a lot of money because as a content creator, you are always online suffering. You are always looking for trending things to jump on. You are always looking for ways to better your content creation. You are always looking for new editing skills, new AI tools, new thumbnail design tools, new ways to better yourself as a content creation. uh New ways to better yourself as a content creator, sorry. So you are always surfing and then even uploading your content when you are finally done. Some of these editing apps equally require data to work. If you want advanced features, you might have to use your data and also to subscribe. So some of these editing apps, both editing of videos and pictures, they actually require your data. So you're always on the go looking for data, using data. Even uploading your videos after editing requires data. Surfing the net looking for ideas requires data. So the amount of money I spend on data monthly is insane. I cannot put a figure to it. I cannot say this is how much I spend, but I know I burn a lot of money. This minute I'm seeing a lot of money in my bank account. The next minute I'm looking for all the money. Like, where did all the money go? But I can't find anything I bought with the money. So I just know data. If you are also like me in this and you're seeing this video, please drop me a comment. So some marketers came around in my area and they were marketing this MTN fiber. And so my husband jumped on it. My husband talked about it months later. So it was like I spent too much. He was telling me that I spent too much money on data if we should get the MTN fiber. And my sisters and my brothers, I had jacked it quickly. And I told him, yes, I even have someone. And I told him, yes, I have someone that can do it. Someone came to market to me. And luckily for me, I collected the guy's number that day and I saved it. When my husband talked about it, I quickly hijacked it and said, yes, we should get it. So that has been the best thing that has happened to me in the last 1 month. We have used it for about a month and I've not bought data. Like, if I have anything to do and I'm out of the house, it has to wait till I am back home. So I had to call the guy and then he told me the price. I discussed with my husband and then he said the guy should come. So the guy came and did the stuff, and so far that has been like the best thing. That's been the best thing because in the last 1 month, we've used it for about a month now. I've not had to bother about data. The only challenge is that when there's no lights, I'm stranded because I cannot find any spot where I can charge it like with a power bank. So it has to be like a direct source of electricity, maybe like a gen or solar or NEPA lights. So so whatever I have to do, I have to do it while there's light. Thankfully, in my area we always have light. Although there are times they take it, but we always have light. We have light a lot. So that is what we have been using, the MTN fiber. And so far, I can say it's been good. That's my only challenge. The fact that when there's no light, I cannot use it. That's my only challenge. But so far this month, I've only bought data once, and that was like 300 naira. And that was what I bought because I was still expecting light. But the fact that the thing was new and then it was doing me somehow, like, how can I not have data? So I had to buy a small one pending when they will bring light. So far, I've been able to discipline myself. Whenever there's no light, I just sleep or edit my videos. So if I go out and there's no light, if I go out, I don't have data. So if you send me a message and I don't reply, it just means that there's no light or I don't or I'm out. So whatever I want to do has to wait till whenever I come back home when I have my MTN fiber active. So that's just my update. It's been really good. It's been really good. The network is fast. The browsing is seamless. Everything I have to do online just goes very fast and smoothly. I'm really enjoying it. But the money is big though. But the fact that I pay it once and it does not expire, like I can use it for as long as I want without anybody notifying me. Your data will soon expire. You have used 70% of your data bundle. It's great. Like, it's great. It's great. It's been seamless. It's been seamless. This MTN fiber is actually doing a great job. So that's just my latest update, guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share your experiences with MTN Fiber in the comment section. Let's all learn. Hmm? So, guys, bye. I'll see you in my next video.